Section 11-5, angle, angle, triangle, similarity. If two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. I'm going to read that again. If two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. Now, the two triangles that we're looking at in this figure here are the small triangle A, B, and C, and then the large triangle, which is A, B prime, and C prime, okay? So, if two angles of this small triangle are congruent to two angles of the large triangle, then these two triangles are similar. Now remember, similar triangles, their corresponding angles are congruent and their sides are proportional, all right? But if you know if two angles of one are congruent to two angles of the other, then it's enough to say that the triangles are similar. So I know already that angle A is congruent to angle A. Angle A in the small triangle is congruent to angle A in the large triangle. Now, and that was because it is the same angle that I knew that, it's the exact same angle, and also that I have a marking here, okay? Now, I have markings here. Angle B is congruent to B prime. So I know that angle B has two little arcs and B prime has two little arcs. So I also know that angle B is congruent to angle B prime. I could also write angle B, I could name it angle ABC. So angle ABC, which is the small triangle's angle B, is congruent to another way to name B prime is AB prime C. Angle AB prime C. So I could also write it that way as well. So I know that angle A is congruent to angle A, that's one angle, and then angle ABC is congruent to angle AB prime C prime, that's the second angle. So since we know that, I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AB prime C prime. So, if you know if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then you know that the two triangles are similar.